Alright, everybody, we got ourselves a locksmith job where a good person's keys are very wiggly. They don't like it. It's a Land Rover key, so we're gonna change that. We're supplying a new key. Here we go. No logo or anything, but yeah, it works and does the job. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the key because this one's not cut, but this one is. So I'm gonna copy that blade into the machine and get into the car. What I'm doing here is showing the process of me decoding each pin, and now I'm showing you how it is when you cut the key, and this is the final product. Alright, so we currently got this original key. Everything works beautifully. You can hear the doors clicking. Now I'm going to put the key all the way in. It turns smoothly. Starts the vehicle up. Great. Turns it off. What I'm going to do now is the new cut key. When it's going to happen, nothing's going to happen. It turns flawlessly though, exactly how it should be, but it does not start. Why, you may ask? Well, we need to program this one. So we're going to add another key. Keep the ignition off, but keep the key inside. Do you want to match a new key? Yes. Insert the new key, but do not turn it on. Here it goes. That's the new one. And successful. Turn the switch on. Matching complete. Wonderful. Let's see if it starts the car though. Right there. That's with the new one. Nice. Okay. And the remote works as well. See the other one? Yep, both of them work beautifully.